Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make your iPhone automatically update apps. First, open settings. Once in settings, you are going to scroll down until you see App Store. You are going to select App Store, and from here you want to go in the section that says automatic downloads, and you are going to see the option App Updates. You want to toggle it on, as you can see on my screen right there. By doing that, apps will automatically be updated. For example, if I should go into my App Store, tap on my profile pic in the top right hand corner. Then from here scroll down, you can see upcoming automatic updates right there. So after a period of time, it will automatically update these apps, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.